What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And what I want to share with you in this video is how you can earn $100 per day with free traffic strategies. So meaning, like, if you were to start today and you had $0 to start, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get started. Now, what I'm going to share with you, you have to be consistent with this. Do this for the next 30 days. Don't just try this out, and if you don't get any money in your first 2 days or something like that, you quit. You have to do this every single day. You have to run traffic every single day. I'll get to that part when I get there. But you have to make sure that you show up and you market every single day. If you do not do this, you're not going to see the results. You have to be consistent, okay? So I did a video a few months ago on how to make $100 per day. It got a lot of views, more than what I was expecting. And it's kind of like on the same lines as this, but I'm going to show you a little bit more detail on how you can get started. And yeah, so what we want to do is we want to first determine what niche that we're going to be promoting. For me, it's always been like the work from make money online or work from home niche, right? So once I have figured that out, the next thing I need to do is find a product. Now, once I determine my niche, I'm gonna come over here to Warrior Plus. Now, in the last video, I was talking about JV Zoo. This is Warrior Plus. Now, with Warrior Plus, you can they actually have a lot of info and digital products for the make money online niche or whatever, right? So what you want to do is create your free account at warriorplus.com. And then once you have done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you link your PayPal, or I think they can also do a bank account. So that way when you are receiving commissions, they have a way to pay you, okay? Make sure you set that up. Now, once you have those two things in place, come back to the main page on Warrior Plus, and you want to click on Marketplace, right? So once you're here on Marketplace, if you come down here just a little bit below, you're going to see a headline for top sellers. This is a great way to find products to promote. We want to find products that are already winning, that people are already buying. So we're going to start with the top sellers. So you can choose from today, yesterday, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. So we're going to click on the Today tab, and you can see here they have the top 10 products for today, and then again you're going to see the same thing for yesterday, the last 7 days, and so on. So now that we have now that we're here, let's go ahead and choose this product because it's the #1 product for today. So you're going to click on this product, and we're going to check out the sales page. So what I always do is I like to check out the headline, what it offers, watch the video. If they offer a video, watch the video, right? And then scroll down and kind of see the results that people are getting, see the testimonials. And as you can see right here, this product is $12.95. Now, the one thing about with Warrior Plus, a lot of their products are going to be around this range, right? They're going to be anywhere from like $2, $4, $6, $10, $12, right? And that's just the the price for this initial product. More than likely, this product is the first of a series of products that come on the back end. So let's say you had somebody come to this page and they bought this for $12.95. Before they can even get access to that content, the seller might already have a product they're going to sell to them on the back end. And if that person purchased that product, you also get a commission from those back end sales as well. Depending on the seller, sometimes it may be one back end sale. Sometimes it goes up to, I've seen up to 11 or more back end sales, and you're going to get commissions from those, right? So that's the good thing about it, right? So like I said, I'll scroll down, check out and see a little bit more about the sales page. And if it's something that I feel like it will actually help people to earn some income or whatever else, or if you see something that if it appeals to you, then of course purchase the product and go through it yourself, right? Because that's another way you can earn $193 per day, right? But back to the original topic. So this is something that you want to promote. The next thing you want to do is you want to get your affiliate links. So you come back over here to Warrior Plus, and then you're going to click on affiliates. Now, once you have clicked on affiliates, come over here and click on get links. Now, what you want to do here is you want to enter the title of the actual product, or if you remember the vendor's name, you can put it here. You can just go back to the marketplace if you forgot the name of it. But you'll come over here, you'll put the offer title here, and you click search. And then once it does, you'll see the product comes up, and there's going to be a green link that says request. Now you're going to click on the button where it says request, and then you're just going to leave a short note. Just say, hey, so-and-so, I'm requesting permission to promote your product to my email list. My email list consists mostly of work from home leads. And you want to click on the yellow button that says request for approval. Now you want to come back a few moments later to see if you got approved. You may get a notification, I'm not sure, but just come back to Warrior Plus and see if you have been approved to get your affiliate links. Now for that product that we're gonna promote, pretty much, I already did that and I already got the link. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on the green button where it says get link. You want to copy it, right? And then you want to come over here to Google Shortener. Okay, so I already did that. And again, you want to go to Google URL Shortener or GOO.gl. And you're going to put that link there that you got from Warrior Plus, your affiliate link. Come back to Google Shortener and it's going to give you a shortened Google link to use. Okay, so now that we have that, what we want to do next is we want to create a capture page, right? We want to build an email list. Now, because for the reason why we want to do this, because most people are not going to buy things right off the bat, right? So that way we can show them this offer in exchange for their email address. So even if they don't purchase anything right then, we have their email address. So now we can continue to send different offers that we find on like Warrior Plus to that email list, and to also generate some sales. So that's the reason why I say you have to make sure that you are marketing every single day, because if you're not doing this and you're not building up your email list, it's not going to work. Okay, so what you want to do next is come over here to Weebly.com. Now you can create a free site here, and we're going to create a simple capture page here. Okay, so we're going to click on create new site, and we're going to say no because we do not want to open an online store. And it doesn't really matter which one of these you choose, because we're just gonna delete all the images anyway. We don't need anything fancy. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna click on start editing. Now I want to give my Weebly site a name, like a domain name. So I'm gonna put Lindsay M. I'm not going to use any of these because it's going to ask for you to pay for it. So I'm going to come down here where it says subdomain lindsaym.weebly.com, and I'm going to click choose. Okay, then I'm going to click done, and we're done with that part. Okay, so now, like I said, I want a real simple, clean page. I don't need all this extra nonsense on here. So I'm going to hover over here, get rid of that, get rid of this little picture here, delete this. Like I want a blank canvas. Okay, so now we have a real clean page. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to add in a form, so that way people can submit their email address in order to get access to this sales page. Okay, so what you want to do on this side of the page, on the left hand side of the page, you're going to see widgets. Now over here you want to make sure that you add a autoresponder, right? Now the reason why you want to have an autoresponder is because once you start getting all these leads, you need one central place to house all those leads. And you want to do that because it's going to make your life a lot simpler, because if you don't have that in place, you're going to have to manually email every single email that you receive. And while that may work in the beginning, if you only have like maybe 5 email addresses in your list, it's going to become a pain in the butt when you start getting over hundreds and thousands of leads. You definitely don't want to spend the next 7 days or whatever else trying to email each of these leads. So with the autoresponder, what it's going to do is it's going to house your leads, right? And then you're able to create one email and blast that one email to everybody that's on that list within a few minutes. Okay, so the one I'm going to recommend that you all get is Aweber. Aweber is free it's free for the first 30 days. And I'll put a link below this video where you can start your free trial. Okay, so go take care of that. Set up an account with Aweber, get your free trial, right? And then you want to come back here to Weebly, and then come back over here to the widgets, and you want to click on Add App. Now, once we have done that, we want to search for Aweber. And what we're going to do now is we're going to connect it. So right here is trying to tell you to to price it. Like you can buy it right here or whatever else. You don't have to worry about any of that. Once you have your account set up, all you have to do is click on Add. We're going to click on Connect. twice. We'll click connect twice. And now we have our Aweber connected to our Weebly. So now what I want to do is I want to come over here to my widgets, and this Aweber widget, I just want to move over here. Okay. So you also want to create a form inside of Aweber. I'll actually put a video below this video showing you in the description, showing you how you can actually create a form and a list inside of Aweber. Okay. Take care of that in Aweber, right? And then come back over here to Weebly and complete this part. Now that we have chosen our list and our form, I'm going to click Save. Okay. So now that we have that information here, right? So usually, cut that out. And then now what I want to do is I want to make sure that I have like a headline. So let me grab a headline. So I'm going to grab this text widget. See that? Let me put it over here. Okay. So what I'm going to do for the headline, I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. Okay. Whenever you see products like this, they usually have outsourced and have paid somebody to write the sales copy for these pages. So why not use it? So I will copy this, right? Come back over here to Weebly. Let me paste that in there. Let me make this text darker. They'll let me. Change that to black. I want to center it. Back down a little bit. Okay. Now you see how simple that was? We now have a simple capture page that's going to, collect the leads for us, right? We have that in place. Now, the one thing I do want to say, and I will show this, I could probably show this now. So hold on, let me go to my Aweber. Okay, so we're over here on my Aweber, and this is the form. I already had a form created, but this is the form that we're going to use. So what I would do is I'll make sure I come over here to edit under sign up forms and make sure that you're under this current list, right? Make sure you're under the list that you created. Come over here to form. Just get rid of that. Let's go ahead and just keep it as email. Click save form. Go to step 2. And what we want to do is we want to grab our affiliate link. Okay. So we're going to grab the link here. Grab this link. Go back to your Warrior Plus and grab the long link. Come back to your Aweber. And then you want to change the thank you page to a custom page. You want to put that link here. And then you want to come under here where it says already subscribed page. Click on custom page again. And put in your Warrior Plus affiliate link for that product. And you want to click save form. Okay. So now that we have that in place, when we're getting ready to send this, to market this capture page, they're going to put their information here and they're going to click submit. Now, when they click submit, it's actually going to put that lead into your Aweber, right? It's going to put that lead into your Aweber, but it's going to take them to this sign up page. Okay. And then if they decide to buy, they're going to go ahead and add the cart and purchase it. And then you will see the commission show up in your Warrior Plus account. Okay. It's just that simple, guys. It's just that simple. Keep it really simple. Now, you may be asking, like, what's some good ways that you can promote this? Again, I'm going to use free traffic strategies. So come over here to Facebook. And you want to find work from home groups. Now, the reason why I'm going to stress this because I think even on the last video that I did, people were saying, I think somebody left a comment that, the work from home groups on Facebook don't work. They do work. What it comes to, you have to be consistent. Most people aren't consistent, or they already go in with the mindset that this is not going to work, and then they don't do anything at all. Okay. So you want to come over here and do a Facebook search for work from home. And right here, you see that this group I'm already a part of. So I'm going to join this group. And what I would do is come back to your sales page, right? Discover a simple way or whatever. So I'll copy this. Okay. Come back over here to Facebook. Clean this up a little bit. And the one thing that about like these with these groups, you want to make sure that you add an image, okay, with your posting. Because if you just leave it as a text-based post, it's not going to get that much traction, okay? So what I would do is I'll scroll down and let me see if I can find a picture that I want to use. Okay, so look at these. You have like these little testimonials of people who have used this product. So let's see if I can find another picture. If not, then I'm gonna come back and use those. So probably use something like that. So let me grab this image. If they'll let me grab it. My computer's moving slow. Okay, so now that I have that picture, I'm going to come over here back to Facebook. I'm going to click on photo. Now we're going to find that picture that we just got from the sales page. I'm going to click open. Okay. Come back here to the Google shortener. I'm going to grab this link. Come back to our post. Get the info here. I'm going to put our link here. And what I would do is I'll make sure that I'll copy this, right? I'll copy this post, put it into a notepad, and then you want to click post. Okay? And what you want to do is you want to do this for 10 to 15 groups every other hour. Because if you do too much of it, it's going to they're going to think that you're spamming and you're going to get blocked. So do like 10 to 15 groups manually, right? You can do it every hour. I'll say do it every hour. 10 to 15 groups every hour, make this post. Okay? And that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay? And then what you can do is you can find another product on Warrior Plus, and then you can promote that product doing the same exact thing. Okay? Do this for 30 days. Do this for 30 days. It's really simple. You can start all of this with free traffic, free everything, right? Free everything. Okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment below if you have any questions, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because if you want to see more videos like this, hit that notification bell so you can get that alert when I do videos like this and I upload them to YouTube, okay? So until the next video, peace.